All right, so this is a quick update on the orange element. I'm looking for a funnel. Oh, I know where it's at. It's on the side of the house. So today I gotta put the I put some transmission fluid in that I had sitting in the garage, and I put a battery in there. I did start it, but it's extremely low, so I wanted to put some more transmission fluid in it and then go test drive it. So let's get started on that. I have everything ready to go. Have my battery. I got a battery. I got it out, the green one, and I got my fluid. So let's go ahead and top this off real quick and take it for a test run. All right, let's see what we got here. Pull this out and check it. It looks full, but I know if you start it, it goes down to 0. Well, you know, I take that back. It has like a little bit of fluid on it. So we're gonna try to put some in it real quick and see if that will work. I came in the garage and I have no idea why I came in here. Come on, brain, kick in, kick in. I don't know. I don't know what I just came in for. Oh, a rack or something. Let's see here. Okay. Had to get one of my little cleaner hand cleaners and see. So I'm gonna start it real quick. And it has, right now it has like, well, it did have like a little misfire. All right, so I put some more in there. Let's see what we have now. Okay, so it's full. I know it's gonna be more than what's normal, but also have an external intercooler for the transmission fluid. Whether it's best to be more than less. I think I got that in there. All right, let's take it on a test drive and let's see what we got. Screw it. All right, let's see what we got. Let down the window. Take the brake off. Put it in gear. All right, it's in gear. Oh, no dash lights. I forgot I gotta fix that too. All right, we're rolling. Let's see, I please hope this fixes it. All right, so far so good. I'm gonna go behind the house because that's where it's gonna be, where I can gauge and see if it actually works. So I'm gonna head down that way. Oh, it didn't do it. It didn't do it. All right, I'm gonna turn here and I'm gonna give it some more. I know it's stumbling just a little bit because the misfire, and I think it's the plugs because I moved the coils around and I was still getting it on the cylinder 1 misfire. So I had moved the coils to a different to see if that had changed, and it didn't. It didn't change at all. It was still on number 1, which I believe is the spark plugs. I have not changed those yet, but those soon to be changed, probably sometime next week. And there go my fat homie. Fat homie. He gonna be pissed when I post that. Fool called me fat. All right, no cars coming. We're Alrighty, let's get it up. Come on, girl. Ooh, it shifted. I got the pedal all the way down. Let off the gas, nothing. Perfect, thank you, Jesus. Oh my God. Yes. Yes, now it's running real good. Alrighty. Uh-oh. The D light is flashing. If y'all can see that. I'm gonna have to look that up and see what that is. I know I'm misfiring still because I can hear it pretty good. And I believe that's something with the solenoid. Let's see, I turn off, turn on. Oh yeah, she misfiring bad. All right, so we're gonna pull in and park. Alrighty, let's see what our misfire is, cause I mean not misfire, but let's see, it's still flashing. Let me look that up real quick and see. Turn it off. Alrighty. All right, so I figured out what it was. It was my fault. It was 100% my fault. It had plenty of fluid in it, but one of the plugs I didn't plug in all the way, and it was the output shaft solenoid, no, output shaft sensor. It's a blue plug. It looks like it's plugged in, but as soon as I grabbed it, it clicked, and that was it. That was it. So no more transmission problem whatsoever. Thank God. Now all I gotta do is get the what is that called? Oh, the misfire. So I need to change the spark plugs and drive it some more to make sure it's okay. But until then, guys, I'll see you later.